everyone, I am Akshaya from Jai Sri Ram Engineering College, Department of ECE. Today I am going to talk about the instrumentation amplifier. What is mean by instrumentation amplifier? An instrumentation amplifier is high precision differential amplifier using typically 3 operational amplifier to amplify low level differential signal while rejecting noise and offering high input impedance. This is an instrumentation amplifier kit. First, power supply is connected to the plus 12 volt and minus 12 volt. Next, CRO negative is connected to the ground. Next, IC1 output is given as the IC3 input. Next is IC2 output is given as IC3 input. Next, the output is connected to the CRO positive and IC1 input is connected to the function generator output and IC2 positive is connected to the modulator generator output. This is output of the instrumentation amplifier.